When life gives you lemons, make lemon soap. So first I cut up a bunch of lemons and scooped out the insides. I then grated a little bit of the rind for decoration and mashed up the insides to extract the juice. I wanted to also test out if I could use the rind as a mould, so I kept these to one side whilst making my soap. I decided to throw in a little black pepper as a natural exfoliant. I mixed up my slightly strangely coloured batter, take in mind there is no artificial colours being used here, and then added some of the grated rind and some black pepper. If you want to use real lemons in your soap, you have to make sure to do research first. Due to the citric acid, the amount of lye needs to be adjusted to make sure that saponification still happens and that you get usable soap at the end. Because the lemon rinds are not flat, I used a towel scrunched up around them to make sure that they stayed in place. I poured the soap batter and topped with a sprinkle of lemon rind. Then I left them for a couple of days before demoulding or debrinding with a little difficulty. The final result, I think you'll agree, is a little rustic.